Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai. The headlines for today are: Meghalaya registers 339 new COVID-19 cases today. Meghalaya to get 42,000 COVID vaccine doses for citizens of 18 to 44 years. Authorities take COVID restrictions violators to task. And markets closed in Joai for violation of COVID protocols. And now the news in detail. Addressing the media fraternity at the main secretariat in Shillong after the review meeting chaired by the Chief Minister, Meghalaya Deputy Commissioner Preston Pinsong today, informed that Meghalaya registered 339 new COVID-19 cases, bringing the total active cases to 2019 with a recovery rate of 204 recovered patients.
The active cases today is 339. Then the total active cases as of today is 2019. Recovered 204.
Referring to the other point discussed at the review meeting, Preston Pinsong informed that for the age group between 18 to 44 years, the COVID vaccine dose of 42,000 in numbers will soon reach the state.
To the manufacturing company for 42,000 vaccination, and these vaccination will reach our state within few days time from now, and the cost of the vaccination, each vaccination is rupees 300. And I would like to inform to the citizens of the state that the government has decided to give free of cost for vaccination to each and every beneficiaries 44 years below up to 18 years.
In a press briefing today, Mr. Preston Pinsong informed that the government of India has allotted additional rice for people with 5 kg per head under the AAY and PHH scheme. He informed that all the wholesalers to lift the rice from the different FCI godowns. He said this rice has been allotted for the month of May and June.
We have enough stocks. We do have enough stocks of essential commodities. And secondly, I would like to inform that the government of India is kind enough to again sanction additional allotment of rice, where we call it free rice, under PMGKAY for the month of May and June. And lifting of rice has just started. Lifting of rice has just started, and distribution will take place within this month itself.
The District Magistrate West Janta Hills, in an order issued today, the 5th of May 2021, has ordered immediate closure of Yao Musiang Po Yao, CNI Market Yao Chor, Presbyterian Market Yao Shiam, and Senraj Market Yao Senraj, Yao Musiang Joai, for violation of COVID-19 protocols like not wearing of face mask and not maintaining of social distancing. The markets mentioned have been ordered to remain closed until further orders. Violation of this order shall be punished with fine under Section 51B of the Disaster Management Act 2005.
Dapat pendapat wakakam berhukum kawawan naga office krekam yang Deputy Commissioner dapat pendapat wanado menstep kesni kayau musiang kayau chor kayau senraj kam jo le yao chiap da khang yi ki chipor Wai wong cha de wai ki nado man step kasni. Kan kante ne yang kedor bat Shillong kuntu ba ya tu go thong yao thong trin haluti po yao pasnya ba nado man step kasni hoi de chong dai ki ha kitai ki thao.
Restrictions in the movements of vehicles were introduced in July as part of the containment measures in 3 cities of the state. These restrictions are in place from 1st to 10th May. In spite of this, many taxi drivers and private car owners were seen flouting the restrictions. Today, authorities have begun penalizing drivers who violate the restrictions by levying a fine of Rs 1,000 each. Further, the authorities have also put in place restrictions on the movement of people and the opening of shops. Patrolling in 3 different areas of the city was carried out to ensure people followed the protocols and adhere to the restrictions. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.